This video provides you with a chance to recover your lost JPG photos with 5 practical approaches. Part 1. How to restore deleted JPG images from Recycle Bin. Check the Recycle Bin if you accidentally delete JPG images, as deleted files are usually moved there unless the bin has been emptied. Step 1. Double-click the Recycle Bin icon on your desktop. Step 2. Browse the list of deleted files and locate the JPG images you want to restore. Step 3. Right-click on the selected images and click Restore. Then the images will return to their original folder location. Part 2. How to get your lost JPG images back from cloud backup. If the files aren't in the trash, your cloud service might have a secondary safety net. Services like Google Photos, iCloud, Dropbox, and OneDrive often keep deleted items in a recently deleted folder for 30 to 60 days. Step 1. Log into your cloud storage account and locate your pictures. Step 2. If you can't find the images in the folder, navigate to the trash location. Step 3. Search for the JPG images you want to recover. Select the files and click Restore. Finally, download the pictures to your device. Part 3. How to recover lost JPG images via Coolmuster data recovery. If your JPG images are no longer available in the Recycle Bin or cloud storage, specialized recovery software can help. Coolmuster data recovery can scan storage devices and retrieve deleted or lost files. It can also recover N, JPG, WEB, and more image formats. Step 1. Download and install Coolmuster Data Recovery on your computer. Launch the program and select the Deleted Recovery option. Step 2. Choose the drive where the JPG images were originally stored. Start the scanning process by tapping on Start Scan. Step 3. After scanning, preview the recoverable JPG files, select the images you want, and click Recover to Computer to save them to a secure location. Part 4. How to retrieve lost JPG photos with Recuva. Recuva is a user-friendly data recovery tool with strong capabilities, making it a great option for beginners with its simple guided recovery process. Step 1. Download and install Recuva on your computer. Then open the program and start the recovery wizard. Step 2. Choose Pictures as the file type and select the location where the JPG images were deleted. Step 3. Run the scan to search for recoverable files. Next, preview the results and select the JPG images you want. Step 4. Finally, click Recover and save the files to a different drive. Part 5. How to recover lost JPG pictures with PhotoRec. PhotoRec is a powerful, open-source data recovery tool for advanced users, effectively recovering data from corrupted cards by bypassing the file system. Step 1. Run the application and select the disk you want to scan. Step 2. Select the partition and choose the file opt setting to ensure only JPG or JPG formats are targeted. Step 3. Choose a destination folder for the recovered files. Then initiate the search. The software will automatically carve the images and save them to your specified folder.